Hi there, it's Shell, and we are doing a quick flip through of this beautiful spring journal. So the front was quilted by Clint. It is a basket quilt block, and then I added some flowers, which I absolutely love. It is a 6 by 9 1/4, I think, with almost a 2-inch spine. So we tied on some seam binding. I was thinking of Clint's word. And then let me show you. So on the inside, in this pocket, we have this cute little booklet inspired by Miss Gail Augustinelli. I do have a link for her below. And I just put in all the leftover scraps, all the cute little goodies that go in that we used. That way you can use them and then reuse the little pouch if you want, the little booklet. And I just glued on those pearls, so I just want to make sure they're going to stay. So the paper kit I used is called Microcosmos, and it was by Bella. Love that paper pack. And then we made this out of it, a little tag there, little shaker paper clip. And this was inspired by Miss Gwendolyn. Just a little place you can put some coffee dyed paper and journal in there. And then this was a little tag we made. This was from a poster. It was kind of like an old poster. So pretty. Another little paper clip. Fabric flip. Love how this journal turned out. So pretty. It's chock full of goodies. Edith Holden paper. Has a side collage page edge. Journaling card. There. Has this fun little thing I saw inspired by Pinterest. Then a little tag and a little tag in there. And then this is a secret journaling spot, so you pull down. There's your little secret journaling spot. You journal, pop it back up there, no one knows. I just think it's a cute decorated page. Inspired by Jody Malone. Little tag. Beautiful. I love this journal. So many fun things. Little fabric flip with one of the wood pieces that Clint made. A tatted piece that Clint's mom made. A little tag, some more of that paper. The center of the signature, and we have butterflies, keys, and a heart tied on the bottom. And this was, oh, I never did get rid of the blue. I'll get rid of that blue before I mail it. So I need some heat to take that blue off. But this was, I made this, but it was inspired by the Padded Heart Company on Etsy. Another little shaker tag. This is a little pocket, multi-pockets here and here. And then here is another little hidden journaling spot. Journal there. Pop it up in there. Isn't that fun? Little journaling tag, little tag. This is an interactive belly band, so it's going to go up or down wherever you want to put it. Maybe. I tell you, there we go. Little journaling card here, and then here is little tags, little pocket. And then this was like a little band-aid thing on there. Edith Holden pages. This was that really fun thing. It was inspired by someone on Gail's. Gail made something similar. And I put a little tag in there. Decorated it so it kind of mimics the front cover. I have a little pamphlet in here. And then here's a pocket, and it has another little tag there. And then I wanted it to close, so I put this little guy on it. And then on the other side, I made 2 of them so I could, when I put the brad through, it's kind of covered up. So I made 2 of them. Here's a little tag. Opens up. This one doesn't have the paper pad, and then a little tag there. This was so fun. Had so many fun goodies in here. And then that's the end of that signature. And then this signature. Another real pretty shaker paper clip. Oh, I don't know if you could tell, but there's little charms there. This one sure has a lot of decorating. It was so fun though that I just kind of kept going and going and going. Here's another one of those little tags with a little pocket with a tag. This is a beautiful little paper clip, and it has a little journaling spot in there. Edith Holden. And then this is another one of those secret journaling spots and little tags. And in this tag there's 2 pockets, and so I put a bunch of scratch paper, not scratch, but the scraps from the paper kit. Another little fabric flip, coffee dyed paper, that poster, I just love that. Another little paper clip, and then another one of those little things. So here is a little envelope I just tucked under there, and then here is another little journaling spot. I love those. Those are so fun. I'm definitely, if I remember, I'm definitely going to make more of those. This is another secret journaling spot. I make these in almost every journal I make. And you take this out, you can journal inside here and fold it over and pop it in here like that. So cute. I love that. And you know, unless you really point them out, they just look like decorations. At least I think they do. Center of a signature. Here is the charms on this one. We have a heart and a key. And this was another little paper clip, but the color just went with this journal. And a little tag underneath that. Such a fun journal. I loved making this. I think because I'm in the mood for spring. Here's another one of those cute little tags with the pockets, or pockets with the tags. Inspired by watching Gail's channel. And then I have little goodies that kind of close them. Same thing on this side. Has a little paper goodies and little tags in there. Another one of the interactive belly bands. This one has some more of the larger pieces of paper that were left over. Those were so fun to make too. I just enjoyed this so much. Ah, love it. And then we shall put this little guy in here. That had all the goodies. Let me show you in case you didn't see it. This was a video I did this morning. So there's goodies. This is a place for me to write a note to whoever purchases this. And then some little goodies in here, little tags. Some of the flowers and the little leaves that we played with. Some more little tiny tags there. Some goodies, some lace and a little sticker or something. And then some goodies there. Isn't that adorable? And then I just tied it. Because I thought, well, if you end up wanting to use that lace, then you may as well use it, you know. I was going to glue it on, but you could glue it on if you wanted to. And because these pockets are so big and roomy, it's perfect. Look at that. That one is so full. Now this will be going in my Etsy shop, The Ramblin' Crafter. The link will be below today at 4 o'clock. So if you're interested, it's just first come, first served. You know, first come, yeah, you know how that works. I don't hold journals, but man, that one is packed full. I had so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Love you. Bye.